Welcome into another edition of Tyler's Take Product Reviews. I've got a new review for you, and it is the HD microphone kit from Bauer. This thing's pretty cool. It's great for vlogging, live videos, interviews, video chat, social media, live streaming. It has superior sound, shock absorbent, it has low self-noise, and it's designed, again, for vlogging. So I'm kind of coming to you from my little place of recording, and just want to be able to bring this to you. I purchased this at Walmart for $14.95. So, I mean, if you want, you can check online to see the different prices, but go check out your local Walmart. The Bauer brand is a great microphone. I have the Bauer lapel microphone that I use also for my vlogging needs. It's right here. But this one actually comes on a selfie stick, or it's got there's two quarter 20 threaded inserts for accepting any selfie sticks or tripods or whatever. Right now I've got it on the Fujitech tripod, so you can go check that out right up here. You can check out the Bauer microphone. I do really quickly checking it out against my Mayano microphone, which you can check out here. And you can connect it to a selfie stick, tripod, things like that. Now, the tripod that I have on this right now is it's small, so I want to take this out on an outdoor venue, which is what I'm going to test this thing out next weekend. And it might be a little windy or things like that, so I'm going to pair this tripod stand with a saddlebag or a sandbag or rock bag, whatever it may be. Actually, oddly enough, came with my lighting kit, so if you want to check that one out, check it out here. Anyways, I've checked out the sound quality on the Bauer here. It's not too bad. It is a shotgun microphone, so it's going to pick up a lot of the sound, and that's the whole point of it. Now, if you wanted a clearer sound or an up-close sound, you will use the Bauer lapel microphone, because that'll be right here at your throat level, so it'll pick up a lot of the vibrations that it needs to. This one is taking sound that's being shot right at it. It is a nice set. It's really not bad at all. So what I'm going to do, you're going to hear some sound, so I do apologize about that. I'm going to pull the phone, I'm going to spin it so you can see the actual the mounting system, the light system, and things like that. And then I'll put it back on and we'll end this video. So bear with me 1 second. Here's the shotgun microphone. Nice logo here at Bauer. It's got a threaded system here. This actually slides into the clip, and then you can tighten it in so it does not fall over. It's got an adjustable clip, excuse the noise, for your different size cell phones. And right now, again, I've got it on a Fujitech tripod stand. So this is a nice microphone, so I'm going to go ahead and clip back in, and I'm back, and you're going crazy. All right, well, I appreciate the stopping by for this microphone. It's a really nice microphone so far. Actually, we could probably end this video by going into, I'm going to drop you down, selfie stick mode. So we're going to take this and drop it into selfie stick mode. You're going to hear a bunch of noise, and I do apologize about that. We're going to selfie stick mode. Drop the feet. This Fujitech system is pretty cool as well. So now I'm actually in vlogging mode. It's just awesome, you know. I mean, I can sit here and talk to you. I can show you around my office area that I'm setting up for our product reviews. And go get you one. Walmart, $14.95. Again, you know, thanks for stopping by to another edition of this product review session that I continue to do and enjoy to do. And I look forward to bringing more products your way. So hit that notification bell. That'll tell you all you need to know about the next video coming out. And if you can, hit subscribe, hit the like button. That helps my video out. That helps me, bring more product reviews to you. So again, I thank you for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.